Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to ensure group admins accept new participants in WhatsApp Web. If you're an admin of a group and want to have control over who joins, this video is for you. Let's get started first. Open WhatsApp on your computer and log into your account. Next, go to the desired group chat where you have admin privileges. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Group Info from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Group Settings and click on it.
Now, locate the option Approve New Participants and click on it. To enable this feature, check the circle next to On. Finally, click on Confirm to save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to ensure group admins accept new participants in WhatsApp Web. Now you can have full control over who joins your group. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.